Most of us fail because when we learn about the price of success, we run the other way. Don't run. Believe in yourself. When they show you who they are, believe them. Don't give a pass. Don't give the benefit of the doubt. Believe them. No one is required to believe your dreams except for you. That's why the dream was given to you. Hold on to them, protect them, and most importantly, pursue them. Believe in yourself. Opportunities are often missed because they are dressed in overalls and look like work. With great success comes great work. There is not one without the other. Roll up those sleeves and get to it. Believe in yourself. The biggest key to success is to start. If you never start, you will never finish. Most people never attain their goals because they fail to try. Don't let that be you. Believe in yourself.
Odinga ibhizinisi ukuthi uwenze nawo extra income kumahhala ukujoyina mase uqala ukustokha from 600 upwards. So mangabe uthenga i-24 nje uyakwazi ukuthi wenze 100% profit noma more than 24 yelento ye-juice ungenza 100% kuleyo stock ozobe usidayisa uzokwenza more than 100% i-profit. Kwi-commission-ke uzenzela o-10%. Wonke umuntu ozobe ngena kwi-structure sakho wenza 10%. Uphinde futhi uthole nama-point. Lawo ma-point wona kwenza ukuthi umuve wonke ama-rank azobe e-require lawo ma-point lawo. Ama-point ayangena uphinde futhi uthola ne-commission. So phuthuma-ke ngikuchazele kangconywana ku-WhatsApp. WhatsApp wami nje ukhona, uma ngabe uyidinga inamba ngizokunikeza inamba bese siyaxoxa lapha ku-WhatsApp. Asibonge.